Welcome to NFT Nation, the most relatable and reliable NFT and crypto podcast in the nation. I'm your host, Michael Wheeler, here with my co-host, Alex Ferguson.
What's going on, guys?
And in today's episode, we're kind of bringing a new segment to our podcast called NFT Nation's Bitcoin Bulletin. And our goal with these episodes is going to be to cover any big news that has happened with Bitcoin and get out the information as fast as possible. So these episodes will be short and sweet, and we'll give you all the updates you will need to know about Bitcoin and the current status of just kind of like the crypto market in general. And also, for these episodes, we're not going to do any advertising for them like we normally do. We're kind of just going to record them, instantly post them so we can get the information out as fast as possible. Be current with the times, if that makes sense.
Just put stuff out there so you guys can see it
just get
faster.
it as soon as possible, just like the news.
Yep.
We're just going to give you all information as fast as possible. And just on that note, we're going to get started with today's Bitcoin Bulletin. And the main topic today is going to be that Bitcoin broke 40K. And Alex, would you like to get us started on our kind of what we're going to explain about Bitcoin breaking 40K?
Yeah, so pretty much big thing. It's been down. It's been below 40 for a while now. I can't remember last time it was up at 40, but I'll look that up once later in the podcast.
I think it was below 40 maybe a few weeks ago.
Okay.
And it kind of just stayed under there ever since, I think.
Okay, good to know. So pretty much my reason for thinking that it hit 40K is because since the stock market is stabilizing because the new year, after everyone's sold, everyone's buying now. And as we know, crypto follows the stock market. And so I feel like that's pretty much the big reason that it hit 40K, just because everything else is stabilizing with the crypto and stock market. And I think it'll get higher. I think it'll definitely go up. It'll just keep growing like it did in the past. It'll just start. I don't think we'll see a new high this year. I think we'll get close.
Yeah, I'm kind of with you on that as well.
Yeah, it's gonna be a while till we hit like 60K or something, but still.
Yeah.
It'll go up.
But for anyone wondering in the audience, the last time Bitcoin was above $40,000 was January 20th, and after that it tanked. And if you kind of look at the 30-day chart is what I'm currently looking at, it's kind of like a big U. The crypto market was flat for a few days, and it tanked all the way down to around 33,000, and it's been flat ever since, and now it's going back up. Like, it kind of looks similar to like a keyboard U, or at least that's what the graph looks like. But so pretty much, I obviously have a lot of faith in Bitcoin. There's a reason that we made this Bitcoin Bulletin, because if we didn't exactly believe in it, we just wouldn't be talking about it. But there's been a lot of big news about Bitcoin. Obviously, when the stock market tanks, you kind of just have to expect the crypto market to tank. They're pretty closely aligned, if that makes sense. Especially since there's a lot of institutional money now, like big banks like Wells Fargo and BlackRock. Like, it actually literally hedge funds are buying crypto now. So it just ebbs and flows. There's bots that trade when the stock market goes down, crypto market goes down. Not really too surprising there, but this kind of just goes to show how volatile the market can be, and how just because crypto tanks one day doesn't mean it's never going to go back up. And
it's always moving.
Yeah, it's always it's not. You gotta have faith. Like, there's a reason that people that bought Bitcoin in 2017 have made so many gains. And honestly, if they bought that long ago, they've seen even bigger dips than this.
Yeah.
So it's a great. I believe, we're not trying to give any financial advice here, but in my personal opinion, it's probably a great buying opportunity currently, since it's not too hyped up like it was in the past couple months before the big dip. But anyway, it's just kind of good to see the market stabilize a little bit. Not always you see low. Also, Ethereum has jumped back up following right after Bitcoin. It's kind of funny how closely those two are aligned.
Yeah, they're always following each other. Everything has a kind of is related in some way and always move and just obviously follow each other.
Yeah. And pretty much the entire market, besides Bitcoin's up as well. I mean, Cardano. We're recording this on February 4th, and we're gonna try to upload it as soon as possible. But just here's the market. Bitcoin's up 11%. Ethereum's up 11% as well. We have Binance going up around 7.5%. We have Cardano up around 7%. Solana up around 10%. XRP up around 10%. Terra Luna up around 7%, Polkadot up around 10%, and even Dogecoin is up 7% today. So it's just pretty good times in the market today. Can't lie.
Stabilizing out, obviously, from the huge dips that we saw earlier.
Yeah. It's always great to see. Obviously, a lot of money is getting back into the market. But speaking about just like altcoins and different tokens, there's been actually a lot of the Metaverse tokens have seen a lot of volatility lately because Facebook, obviously the stock, they reported earnings. I think yesterday, February 3rd, they reported earnings, and they actually lost $10 billion this quarter on their Metaverse investment. So obviously, the Metaverse is so far away. Well, I wouldn't say super far away, but it's
still
enough
new.
Away. Yeah, it's far enough away where they have to continue to invest. So like. Not to like get off the stock topic because we're not really a stock podcast, but it kind of the Facebook stock. But when Facebook lost 25% of their value in one day because they lost money on an investment, even though they beat earnings expectations. Like they made $40 billion this quarter, and just because they invested $10 billion in the Metaverse and didn't make. And since they keep putting money in the Metaverse, they're not seeing any profit from it yet. People just keep selling Facebook. They they lost $25 billion worth of their value because they beat expectations. So if you kind of just zoom back, you're like, what the hell is going on? This company, Facebook's a great company. Yeah, there's going to be problems because they still have to work out kinks with the Metaverse. But if you believe in the future. The Metaverse isn't going to be here tomorrow. It's going to be here in 10 years. It's going to be here in many years to come. So you just kind of have to believe in it.
Wait it out, sort of.
Yeah.
Invest in the idea.
Yeah. I bought more Facebook stock because I believe in Facebook and I believe in the future. But anyway, to get back on to the crypto side of things, that's what our audience is here for. A lot of the Metaverse tokens saw a huge drop because when Facebook, just like we said, how the stock market and crypto is connected. When we saw Facebook and the Metaverse, because they're so invested in the Metaverse, they're literally just called Meta now, the company. When Meta tanked, so did the Metaverse tokens because they're linked. They're close together. So it just makes sense.
Yeah.
So guys, that's been our first episode of the Bitcoin Bulletin. Hopefully, if you're listening to this right now, you got informed as quick as possible. That's our goal here. And Alex, is there anything you want to say before we head out?
Nope, pretty much. If you guys like this idea, just let us know. We'll keep doing it.
Yeah, exactly. We're here to get information to everyone and as many people as possible and as quick as possible. So we obviously take all suggestions from everyone. And we're just constantly working on podcasts and episodes and just getting as much what's it called? Just I lost the word, content. There we go. Content is as much content as possible out there. So guys, if you want to just follow us on Instagram, it's at NFT_nation_podcast. You can DM us questions there, and we might do a Q&A episode if we get enough questions, which that would be pretty fun.
Especially that would be cool.
Give shout outs to our followers. But guys, I think we're gonna head out here. Hopefully you all learned something today, and have a good night. Have a good one.
Thanks for listening.